Okay, so my countrymen, Amalawa Nzanga, ndi zimene zikuchitika ku Malawi tiyenera tizipitirizabe kuyankhula. We have to discuss things. At the same time, we have to be able to be fair. So I always wish President Mutharika a quick recovery. And Nimampemperera is a good man, a good leader. Kungoti anapangidwa capture ndani for a week. Panoba timapanga tima videos ndiyo lenga yote we should make sense. Kuti lifaya jani president akusowa. So I got a call from my friends in South Africa. Checked with my other friends in Kenya. It turns out kuti president watu ali ku Johannesburg, ali ku Chipatala ama kuti the hospital name is called Donald Gordon. It's in Parkway. It's part of Wits University Medical Center. It's a very, very expensive hospital. Ndiyo dola wambili. Sikumapita anthu chisawawo. Zimene tumapempha all the time anfandale kuti tapanga ni invest in the healthcare yathu because my hospital akunjawa they are depleting drama zama taxpayers. Amalawi akuononga drama to make sure kuti munthu wina achire. When we could use that money towards our own hospitals, my president athu ndikumapita kumeneko ndikumachira. We just need to start thinking about our country. We are wishing the president a quick recovery. Komano my reviews out in our hospital I'll just read one of the reviews. It's part of Wits University, and most of the top level South African billionaires, rich people go. It's a research center. It's a facility that, only when you have a very serious critical condition. So, Donald Gordon is the name of the hospital. It's in Parkway, Johannesburg. Our president is there right now. And Mongo Kupempana Malawanzanga, President Sali Kusanjika, Benzo Nizabota. President is not in the country. President ali ku Chipatala, ali ku Johannesburg, ku Donald Gordon Medical Center. Ndeno anthu aja amafuna kumana makuti ayi anakumana ndi Jomo lero musiye kumapita pa page ya president ya official ndikumalemba nkhani za bodza kufuna kupusitsa Malawi pamenepo that is treason. That's misinformation. You are committing a crime. You cannot go on an official page of the president. You are speaking like the president. Or today I had a meeting with Jomo. No, don't do that. Amala eternity tisiye na mizana. Let us come together and love our country. Constitution yathu is clear. Jengati zili zokuti Jena satenge boma. Let her take the government because the constitution. Whether you like it or not, we cannot change that constitution. Let's samana that the president ali incapacitated panopa minezuonekera because ku Donald Gordon Medical Center ndikumene kumakhala ma critical cases and cancer wambi. And I visited the place. I know the place very well. I've seen it. I know a few doctors there. I know critical care doctors as well. So mugamapanga zinthu zoti muzanamiza Malawi anthu amene anakuvoterani. You are only creating a labyrinth of your own making. A deep hole. You're digging yourself into a hole that you cannot come out. Because in this day and age, research, you can make a call. Someone is going to give you facts, information. You cannot lie anymore to people. Pakali Banova, I want to make an appeal to the Vice President Dr. Jane answer to address Malawians. I think it's proper, it's measured. You need to assure Malawians that the president is going to be, at this point, the situation is precarious. We are in a bind because our economic situation has been affected with all this. The absence of the president is not something to take lightly. The absence of a president in a country without informing the public is a cause for concern for a lot of people. In the Constitution, we have to respect the Constitution. That's what I am trying to say. I'm not being political. I'm being balanced. I'm being careful in my words. If you want to steal government, you cannot steal it while the president is alive. Now, if you create a governing council, you are the ones who are committing a crime, because the government of Malawi has system. We have arms of government. The executive, president and the vice president. Then he appoints his cabinet. Then we have the judiciary. Now, our judiciary can only be there to interpret the laws. Then we have parliament. Parliament is supposed to come out right now and inform Malawians on the condition of the president, but nobody seems to be talking about it. I am talking about it, and I'll continue to talk about it, because when I talk, a lot of people listen. When people listen, sometimes it affects change. Decisions are made, because I represent the voice of people that want to really see change in Malawi. I mean, when I make a point of saying something, people really do listen. So I have clarified everything that I've claimed in the past. I've said that President Mutharika is not well. And right now, I can, on good authority, I know that President is in South Africa. So you can check yourself the donor, the Gordon Hospital. It's a medical center. It's under Wits University. Check. Okay? So, amalawa zanga, tatieni timange zinthu zokuti tithandizane dziko lindi lathu. Ngati president adwazika chonchi, ngati ali incapable, panopa chofunika kwambiri ndikuonetsetsa kuti a vice president apangidwe brief as constitutional demands, apangidwe brief, apangidwe update. She has to address Malawians, assure them on the economic situation and how this affects us on our daily lives. Tamvana. So this is what I wanted to say to you. And we wish our president a quick recovery. Please, Antwa TBP, siyane kunama. Mutakubwera pano vanondu wauza Malawi kuti a president adwala. He's recuperating, he's getting better, he will be fine. When he comes out, akakaura is strong, bring him to the cameras. At Yamkulise, like nothing happened. We are okay with that as well. But we just want to see him. Thank you. Salute.